tip khamaha halor ki jingyada ladaki ujumai lane wan langshop kinu ki bor kamariang ka Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority bat ka District Disaster Management Authority Ribhoi District ka Revenue and Disaster Management Department harangkat ka jingya trelang bat ka National Disaster Management Authority menta ka sngi ka khandai trik ramphang kila penlong ya ka program ban ai jing hikai shagi pajba ban tip halor kila jingyada lada wan langshop ki bor kamariang lane ka state level mock exercise on earthquake disaster ya ka ne ka program aji hikai la penlong hasilong airport ka badon ha umroi Ribhoi district ha ka ne ka mock drill lawan bani simbenta do ba e marthong assistant commissioner Ribhoi district ki officer na katanat pulit kinong tre na katanat ka koit ka khia kinong tre na katanat fire and emergency service kinong tre na bhoirambong CNRD block kinong tre na Shillong airport umroi lembat kiwe ha ka ne ka ju ka sngi la penlong ya ka state level mock exercise earthquake on disaster ha MS Umyam Distillation Private Limited EPIP Bornihan.
First of all, I'd like to inform every one of you that the search and rescue operation at airport has been completed successfully, and I congratulate every one of you, all the departments involved, for successfully completing the search and rescue operation here at airport. Today's mock drill here at airport is not just a routine exercise, but is an exercise to prepare every one of us. As we all know that disaster does not give a notice before coming. It comes unexpectedly, and in those first few minutes of a disaster, if you are confused, then confusion can cost lives. However, if you are prepared, if you are aware, then coordinated efforts can help save and protect those precious lives.